friends, welcome to Spoonful of Pleasure. Today we'll make cheesy garlic bread. So let's get started. Quick look at the ingredients. We need some bread. I'm using a loaf of bread. You can use bread of your choice. We also need butter and mozzarella cheese, some mixed herbs and coriander, garlic and fresh chili. We will take a bowl and add some butter. It has to be in room temperature, followed by grated garlic and black pepper. Add some mixed herbs, finely chopped coriander, give it a good mix. Let's grate some mozzarella cheese before we begin. Spread the butter nicely. Put it on the hot pan, medium flame. Once you flip it, add some mozzarella cheese. You can add some garnish of your choice like oregano or chili flakes. I used fresh chili. And the cheesy garlic bread is ready. If you enjoyed this quick recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.